Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul's. With me is Chef Alex.
Hey everyone.
I feel like I just finished getting finished shooting a video a few moments ago. So I'm going to make a video on pineapple sandwich. So I'm going to start toasting 2 pieces of bread. Sorry, it's bread. It's not that hard. So we're going to toast that. And somebody's saying like, Paul, why would you ever shoot a video on pineapple toast or pineapple sandwich? Sorry, I don't know. It sounds really weird to me. Never heard of it, but you know what? Maybe it'll be good. What do you think, Alex?
It might be good.
Might be good. We'll see. I'm going to be the scapegoat and try this out today. Sugars are starting to go a little wonky, so I mean I need something.
If it's good, maybe I can try one too.
Yeah. I'm guessing it probably will because pineapple is kind of my favorite fruit. So.
Yeah.
The only reason I think I'd ever want to go to India, I mean, India is a great place, don't get me wrong, but it's a very hot country. So, I mean, to me, that would be a little hard for me. I couldn't handle the heat.
Yeah.
Indians are great people. They're very nice, and they've got a really beautiful culture. However, once you kind of realize that they got a really hot place, and you're going to melt.
Yeah.
That's a little intimidating. So, we're going to wait for this to toast out here, and this is going to have a little bit of flavor. It's going to be a little warm, but you know what? I think this is going to be really good. So we'll try this out here. It's really hot here in Halifax today.
Yeah, it is.
The temperature count's not terribly hot, but the humidity is just absolutely ridiculous. So this video is dedicated to Jess. You say you really like this? Well, let's see if I do too. So what I did first is I opened up a can of pineapples. I drained the liquid out. Of course, I put it in a glass so I could drink it because I'm not wasting it. It's got about 13% sugars and 1% sodium. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Yeah. Believe me, it's not going to go to waste. I'm just going to put the rest in a bowl, and there's my lunch. Poul needs to have a little bit of sugar intake because the sugars are starting to go a little weird. So this is going to be my lunch. We just finished filming our breakfast for tomorrow morning, so that's pretty cool. So we're just waiting for the toast to finish up here. One thing with your toaster, guys, when you do use a toaster, Poul does not eat a whole lot of bread, neither does Amy, so we rarely use it, but it's really important when you're done with it, unplug it.
Yeah.
Because it can start a fire.
Yeah, I can.
Also, make sure you clean out your crumb tray. Clean everything on that, because if you don't, there's always going to be a little bit of a chance that you could start a fire.
Yeah.
It's a real possibility, and you don't want to do something stupid that's going to, put a risk to you or your family because you left your toaster plugged in, it wasn't clean for 6 months, and because it's a heating element, right? I mean, technically, you could probably rig it to heat your home in the winter. I'm not suggesting you do that, but you could. Please don't do that. But that's the type of element you're working with. So I'm going to put some chipotle sauce on here. It's got a nice little sweet taste to it. Pineapple can use that.
Amy actually found it spicier than I did.
It was just rather surprising.
Yeah.
Because Amy is usually... I don't want to make this sound like I'm trying to be insulting to her. I'm really not. But she tends to be a little bit more like a sadist. She really does. Because she'll take punishment. She's just not even caring. She'll just take it. And I never met anybody like that. So I'm just going to put some pineapple on here. Yeah, this is kind of crushed. Not. I would have preferred to have one that's just rings, but yeah, this will work. And just so I don't have to waste anything, I'm going to use some sweet peppers. And I'm going to put some onion. And just to say that I have something on it, I'm going to put some grated Parmesan. Normally you'd use this for spaghetti. I'm going to use this for this. And there is my pineapple sandwich. I think it's going to taste great. It's going to be interesting. So you know, you guys want to try it? Please do. Let me know. Drop a comment in there. Let me know what you think. But please hit the like, share, subscribe button, and we'll talk to you guys later.